It's Okajuku today, and me and Okachan have been dying to do some tandem practice, so let's do that. But obviously, I'm kind of halfway there, and I'm at a service station, and the NEOS guys are cleaning my windshields, both front and rear, sides and everything, and filling up the car with gas. Hey. Japan's customer service is literally next level. Anyways, let's get to the event. That's pretty cool. Nothing like an F355. He's even got a matching yellow jacket. That's dope. Driving out to Tsukuba Circuit is always so amazing for me because you come from such a crazy dense city environment where every bit of room is used to amazing kind of countryside like this. It's really beautiful, and even like the old style houses and stuff are all here. It's, oh man, it's kind of like nostalgic in a way because I don't even know, like there's rice farms everywhere. It just looks cool. All right, guys. Anyways, we're nearly there, so let's get there, unpack, and start driving. Come on, it's your homeboy. Woo! Enough looking at other people driving. I want to drive. Let's go. All right. Let's head out and have some fun and see what we can do for Gymkhana. Okay, it's slipperier than I remember. That was a bit insane. I'm gonna really love today because I can really work on my throttle reaction time. Okay. All right. Oh man, the adrenaline's kicking in, yo. I feel like it's too slippery. Like I let my tires down to like 28 PSI in the rear. Come on, turbo. There we go. Man, yeah, I'm really gonna enjoy today. I'm really gonna be able to hone in my throttle work and feel out the car some more with this new tune. This will be great. All right, so that was a fun session. Let's watch these two tandem. Okachan and Oyama-san. I was doing a check over my car, the kind of thing you do after like your first run, and just making sure everything was okay. But then I found something a little bit interesting down in here on my exhaust manifold. Hopefully the camera will focus on it soon. There it is. Look, I'm missing a whole bolt on that corner. It doesn't look like there's an exhaust leak or anything. Looks like it's still kind of holding on. This is a very common issue with the RBs, with the factory manifolds. They warp and twist a whole lot. They put a whole bunch of strain on the factory studs and they always break off. So good thing I'm about to lose my license for a few months, and I'm planning to go top mount and replace all of that with a nice 6-boost manifold. So perfect timing really, but I'm just glad it doesn't have an exhaust leak because then I'd be down on power. There's really only one thing I hate about Gymkhana, and that is what it does to your tires. This is this side, which it's pretty much gets destroyed on the edge here on that big entry that I do right there. And then there's this side, which is totally fine. So you got to keep switching your tires. It also sucks because it's so cold. You know, you set your rear tire pressure, and then what happens is you go out and do like 5 or 6 laps, and then all of a sudden you've got like 40 PSI because they've heated up so fast. So you got to keep coming back in and adjusting your tire pressure. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna quickly switch sides. It's pretty bad. So hopefully there's enough grip to keep going for quite a while. Having fun though, getting some tandem practice in with Okachan, but I really need to get some knuckles because it's just way too scary for people to try and follow me when I'm trying to like drive in such a way that I can get get people nice and close in, and I just keep running out of like pretty much angle really. Anyways, enough excuses, let's change these tires. Damn, man. Damn. These handbrake entries aren't nice on it. You guys gotta look at this. So those last few runs were getting super sketchy, and this is supposed to be my grippier side because I changed these, right? Come look at this. Completely, oh, come on camera. Completely gone. Oh man, we're having so much fun doing some tandem action. Man, today was exactly what I needed. Like I said, today was exactly what I needed. I was feeling a little bit down with the whole license and speeding fine thing. But luckily Okachan had Okojuku on and he kicked my butt and made me come. Well worth it. Friends, people that I'd even call my family sometimes. Just having fun, practicing, and yeah, should work out great. Anyways, I need to pack up the car, so let's do that and see what else the vlog will entail. One thing I have to add is I'm pretty impressed with the Valino tires that I've got. Like, I've done 2 days on these and there's still heaps of grip left on them and heaps of tread. So, and yeah, understeer is not too much of an issue too, as long as I got the right pressure in them. These tires though for today, definitely done. This was a pop waiting to happen. Anyways, I gotta finish putting all of that in there, so let's go. And off goes Okachan. I finished packing everything up now. I'm pretty much ready to go. Just gotta tidy up a little bit of stuff in the interior, put my helmet in its bag. But otherwise, super fun day, accomplished a lot. Oh wow, looks like when I hit that cone I broke a zip tie. Better fix that. But otherwise, car's still in one piece, still looking good. I'm really exhausted and dehydrated, so gonna jump on the highway and pull into the next PA, get something to eat and drink, head home. Got a lot of editing to do. Every time I see this car's engine bay, it makes me drool. Everything about it is so clean. I swear the owner of this car, like, every day gets out with like a sponge and a rag and just goes over the entire engine bay. So pretty. S15 goals, just Otaku Garage billet intake manifold and a nice top mount turbo. I'm in such a happy state right now. I swear drifting is just like the world's best stress relief thing ever. And plus, like, I mean, my view looks awesome. I love Japan. Today was absolutely awesome, and I know I'm kind of repeating myself, but this was exactly what I needed. I literally just needed to come out and do some drifting, get some stress relief, and kind of like gather my thoughts and plan of attack for everything. And yeah, I don't know, it was great. I really enjoyed it. Doing some tandem practice, feeling out my car with the current new tune and working out and stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of things I need to tweak on right now. So I'm looking forward to kind of like getting the car more responsive and things like that. I'm also really excited because losing my license for this amount of time actually isn't such a bad thing. It means I'll be able to save up some money for the S15. And it also means that I can actually pull the head off this car, off the engine, put a metal head gasket on it, change to a top mount turbo manifold, change to a front facing intake manifold, and all that stuff, and just fix up a whole bunch of turbo lag. So I'm really looking forward to that. We'll be able to get the car a lot more responsive, especially with some cool goodies that Mumba's sending me. We've got a new turbo option to throw on, as well as some new rear housings and stuff, and they're also sending me their brand new 50mm wastegate, external wastegate, so we're going to get rid of the internal gate stuff as well, which will make things a lot more responsive because we can make the turbo spool up faster with that. There's a few tricks you can do on the dyno, especially with the duty cycle table and stuff in the Link ECU. Anyways, I'm ranting on again, but today was awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It felt like it was a little bit all over the place, but all I cared about today was de-stressing, and I really feel like drifting does that. Like, you can go to the circuit, jump in a car and shred, and you just come away feeling awesome. So I feel like doctors should like prescribe more of that. Anyways, once again, I'm ranting. Thanks heaps, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please get a sticker. Your support is amazing, and I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ja mata ne.